everyone. In this video, we will understand how to confidently present the Oppo Find X9 series camera powered by Hasselblad and Lumo to the customers.
Hi, I'm looking for a phone that helps me shoot good quality photos and videos, something like studio quality pictures. Since I'm a content creator, so I need a phone to create my content.
Great. So sir, if photography really matters to you, especially portraits, then you are going to love what Oppo has done with its Find X9 series. In its Find X9 Pro, Oppo has given the perfect combination of a powerful hardware as well as an intelligent software optimization. And what truly makes this camera stand out are its two powerful pillars. Number one is Hasselblad. Hasselblad is a legendary professional camera brand with over 100 years of experience. And Oppo has been working very closely with Hasselblad for its Find series. The second is Oppo's self-developed Lumo camera system, which intelligently works for every photo that you take with this phone in its background. So since you're a content creator, you would understand better that for a portrait to look good, it should have good image clarity, balanced light and shadow, and also true to life colors. And this is exactly what you get in the Find X9 Pro, because here Hasselblad and the Lumo camera system are working together beautifully to get you the desired result. So sir, with Hasselblad, you get two key benefits. Number one is the Hasselblad tone, which means accurate light and shadow in your portraits, similar to what you get in the professional DSLR cameras. And second benefit is the Hasselblad natural color solution, which means whatever true to life colors you see with your eyes is exactly what you get with the photos that you click with the Find X9 Pro. So sir, these two benefits of Hasselblad come alive in the phone in the two modes. Number one is the expand mode. This is the expand mode, sir. In the expand mode, it is more of a cinematic 65:24 wide format, which means the photos look like this, which gives you more of a storytelling appeal on social media. The second is the master mode. Master mode gives you more of a pro as well as an auto mode feature. I'll show it to you, sir. This is the master mode, and this is the auto mode, and this is the pro mode. Pro mode is more like a professional mode, which gives you the creative level of freedom to play with the ISO sensitivity, shutter speed, the focusing, etc. Whereas the auto mode is more like the automatic gear of photography. So here you just have to press the button and you get the desired shot, a desired professional shot rather, straight out of a camera. And not just that, sir, to give you an overall Hasselblad professional camera feel, we have also given the classic Hasselblad shutter sound, and also in all of your photos you can customize the watermark logo of Hasselblad too. Now sir, supporting all of this, every photo that you take with the Find X9 Pro is the Lumo camera system, which is Oppo's self-developed. Here it is, sir. Now when we talk about the Lumo camera system mainly runs on 4 key engines. The number one is the True Color engine. True Color engine works best in complex or mixed lighting, somewhat like of a cafe. Now this basically divides the entire scene into 48 small zones. This is unlike a regular True Color engine that you get globally. Why? Because a global True Color engine gives you either a really warm or a cool photo, whereas this works perfectly in a mixed lighting format to balance every light and shadow. The second key engine is the optical bokeh engine. The optical bokeh engine makes sure that the background blur is similar to what you get in a DSLR, and even the lights that flare out in the background is much more cinematic. Again, similar to a professional Hasselblad-like camera even. The third key engine is the Hypertone image engine. Now when we talk about the Hypertone image engine, now here Oppo has deeply worked on the Indian skin tones. So on Indian skin tones, this engine works perfectly. It gives more a sense of presence in the photo. As you can see here, the photo looks much more bright compared to this. It also adds a sense of depth to the photo by separating it from the background. And lastly, it gives a sense of spatial presence. As you can see here, the building appears to be very flat. Here, there is a perfect combination of light and shadow in the building. Lastly, we have the Lightning Snap engine, sir. Since you are a content creator, you would also like to click photos or maybe record videos of fleeting moments which are very fast. So that is where Lightning Snap engine comes into play. This makes sure that even when the moments are fast, even when the moments are in action, each and every photo that you take with this is in perfect clarity. So sir, basically what you see is what you shoot with this smartphone. With Find X9 Pro, you are not just clicking photos, you are actually capturing professional Hasselblad style portraits which are powered by an intelligent Lumo camera technology. Why don't you try it yourself, sir, to see the difference?
So that's a cool technology. I've heard about Hasselblad. So this master mode is really going to help me to create my content.
Surely, sir. So this is how you can present Hasselblad and the Lumo camera system in the Find X9 series to the customers who are photography enthusiasts, content creators, to help enhance the perceived, emotional and functional value of our phones.